In the earlier session we discussed exercise 1.2 up to 2 questions. Now we are going to discuss the third question. Here what the third question says here, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Here what is the question given here, 5 by 6, and you need to write the smallest numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Clearly you can observe that if you take the number 5 by 6, what are the numbers smaller than 5 by 6, which is 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0 by 6, minus 1 by 6, and so on. Here they ask to write only the 5 rational numbers. Among these you can take any 5 rational numbers which is smaller than 5 by 6. Here you can write here the 5 rational numbers smaller than 5 by 6 are, you can write any numbers 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6 and 0 by 6. So what are the numbers that are smaller than 5 by 6, which is nothing but 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, and it keeps on going on. Now see the fourth question. In the fourth question they ask, find 12 rational numbers. You have to write 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. In between minus 1 and 2, you need to write 12 rational numbers. Let us take the numbers. What are the numbers given? Minus 1 and 2. We can write this minus 1 as minus 10 by 10. Because if these two will get cancelled, you will get minus 1 by 1, which is nothing but minus 1. So we can write this one as minus 10 by 10. Now take the number 2. This one 2 we can write it as 20 by 10. Because again this 0 will get cancelled. You will get the value of 2 by 1 as 2. So we have written minus 1 and 2 as minus 10 by 10. And here we have written 20 by 10. And between these two numbers, you need to find 12 rational numbers. So what are the 12 rational numbers that lies between in these two numbers? You can take it here. You can observe that here minus 10 by 10 is there. And after that you will get minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10 and so on. And here what is the last number? You got it here 20 by 10. Before you will get 19 by 10, 18 by 10 and 17 by 10, 16 by 10, 15 by 10, and like that if you keep go on, you can write here 12 rational numbers. You can take any 12 rational numbers among these numbers. You can take this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that you can write it here 13 by 10, and after that 12 by 10, 11 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. All these numbers that lies between minus 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. So here to follow or to solve this question, just you need to check what are the numbers given. Here what are the numbers given? Minus 1 and 2. You need to write this minus 1 and 2 as a form of the fraction. You can write minus 1 as minus 10 by 10 and you can write 2 as 20 by 10. In between these two numbers, you need to write 12 rational numbers that lies between minus 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. You can write any numbers. So what are the numbers that lies between these two numbers here? Here 19 by 10, 18 by 10, 17 by 10, 16 by 10, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and it keeps on going. And after that here minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10 and so on. Among these numbers you need to write 12 rational numbers. Now see the next question, fifth question. Here, find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. You need to find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Here they ask, you have to find only one rational number that lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. If you want to find a rational number that lies between these two numbers, you need to make the denominators equal. So here to make the denominators as equal, which number you need to multiply here? Take 2 by 3. Here check the denominator, the next number. Here what is the denominator here? 4. You need to multiply and divide it by 4 to this number. So what you get here? 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. You need to multiply the other number denominator. So what you get here? 4 2 is 8 and again 4 3 is 12. So and after that consider this number 3 by 4. For this number you have to multiply which denominator? This number denominator. What is the fraction? What is the denominator of this fraction? 3. So you need to multiply and divide with 3. So what you get here? 3 3 is 9 and 4 3 is 12. Here you can observe that we have made the denominator as equal. So what is the process to make the denominator as equal? Just you need to multiply the denominator of the other number. So here what is the denominator of the other number here? 4. So you need to multiply and divide with 4. And if you take this fraction, what is the denominator of the other fraction, which is 3? You need to multiply with 3. So we got here 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. So what are the numbers we got in here? 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. In between these two numbers, now you need to find one number. By using the mean method, you can easily find the number that lies between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. What it states here by mean method? What is the middle value that lies between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12? Just you have to take the average of these two numbers divided by 2. So what you get here, since the denominator is equal, write here 12, add the numerators. What you get? 8 plus 9 by 2. What is the value of 8 plus 9? 17 by 12 by 2. So if you take this 2 to the numerator, what it will become? 7 by 12 into 1 by 2, which is nothing but 17 by 24. So what is the number that lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, which is nothing but 17 by 24. What is our first step? First you need to make the denominators as equal. To make the denominators as equal, you need to multiply the denominator of the other fraction, and after that you got here the denominators are equal, and by using the mean method you can find the average of these two numbers. So that here you got at last write the rational number that lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 17 by 24. Now see the last question from this exercise. Sixth question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Between these two numbers you have to write 10 rational numbers. If you want to write 10 rational numbers, just what is the first step? You need to make the denominators as equal. So consider the first fraction minus 3 by 4. Which number you need to multiply and divide? The other fraction. Here 6. So multiply with 6 and divide by 6. What is the value of 3 into 6, which is 18, and 4 into 6, which is 24. Now take the other fraction. What is the other fraction? 5 by 6. Now which number you need to multiply here? The other fraction denominator. What is the other fraction denominator, which is 4? Multiply and divide by 4. What you get? 5 4 is 20 and 6 4 is 24. Now we have made the denominators as equal. So what numbers we choose here? Minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So minus 3 by 4 we have written as minus 18 by 4. So what it will become? Minus 18 by 4, and we have written 5 by 6 as 20 by 24. So here we got it here 20 by 24. Among between these two numbers we need to write 10 rational numbers. So you can write it here minus 18 by 24, and after that you will get minus 17 by 24, minus 16 by 24, minus 15 by 24, and if you keep on going like that, what is the last number here you are getting? 20 by 24. Before that you will get 19 by 24, 18 by 24, 17 by 24, and after that 16 by 24, and it keeps on going like that. So among between these two numbers you can consider any 10 rational numbers that lies between these two numbers. What is our first step? Just you need to make the denominators as equal. After making the denominators as equal, you can write the rational numbers that lies between these two numbers. From this exercise 1.2 completed. In the tomorrow session we are going to discuss decimal representation.